Can you tell what it is yet? Oh, hey, look, what's that? One. Oh, cloud. I like cloud. Big cloud. That's going to be rattling Perry's dinner bell, I would have thought. Hopefully get up and get going and get through it before they notice. Don't turn back, get going right, go on. Number of times I see that in a camera. Oh, they're quite high already. They should be up and over the top of the bad birds. Beautiful. Right, let's rush home and see if we can see anything. Yep.
Training again. Same place. Sorry, I've got a bird here sitting on top of my flight and I don't know what it is. What are you doing? I think it just jumped at my trap. Same place-ish. Well, I'm not going back to that same place because the last day I was there was 4 peregrines, so I've asked Jip just to take them up round the corner, up the hill to give them a bit of height to get through there. Because that was awful. And he just texted me saying he was let them off at 11:44. God, is that time? So yes, I'm waiting on my babies. This is the first team. I don't know what that bird's doing. I don't even know if it's mine. I don't know, I'll have to check. It's looking to go in, but it's looking as if it doesn't care where it is. So yeah, 11:44, so they're up there now. Jip's took an hour from there yesterday, so I'm not going to tell you how long it should be. Mine's in it in 2 minutes, just saying. So, yes, I'll get back to you when my birds come. Yeah, the birds have just came over my head, guys. Oh, that's a fair cloud. Wasn't even... That's a good cloud. One just joined in there, a white one, or a grizzle, whatever it was. Jip's up there. So that was a big cloud. Yep. Mine. Is that a bit further, babies? 2 white grizzles, good. Oh, there's the other grizzle there. Well done, the babies. That was better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I think they're mine up there. And chicks. You can see that was a successful toss. Good job I caught that. Open up the wire. Come on then. Come on. Where did you come from? Uh-oh, don't drink at the bath. You're meant to be professional and get in. See, Gyps took an hour to come for there yesterday. Tell you, it's mine. I put him home every time.
So, we're still in July the 3rd, it's still 4 o'clock in the magic clock, and the magic Madge has got the bit between her teeth. Unless she's found a bag of cocaine under the driver's seat or something. So Madge is off for her second toss of the day and is taking our weebies, a team of 16, from the 4 miles this morning to 6 miles tonight. In actual fact, the time is actually 5 o'clock, so the clock's not that far out at the moment. Hopefully she gets a nice drop, that'd be nice. Going on her own, good girl. Okay, match report so far. Her Madge has liberated at 10 past the hour. She has 2 squirreling about above her head. I wonder if that was the wombles from 2 days ago. But the others are broken into 2 groups. So this could be exciting. Fortunately all my birds are down. So there's nothing really in the air. So here we go for the Magia Go-Go. I have to say my birds are looking fantastic, Nick. I'll probably jinx them for dog tomorrow. I better not be caught playing with my pecker in my pocket while the birds arrive like Madge was this morning. 5:21. Come on, the mummies. Beautiful night in gallery, mind.
So I'm currently on my way to the second toss of the day. Same birds, 16 of them. 2 mile further. They came out this morning. And you'll see the video all attached together. So it'll be 2 tosses, 1 day. So I will get back to you when I get to the site. So this Tiburon Croquet board. Okay, let them off. Under these first. Because I've let them sit for a minute. So over in the distance.
Go. B6. 12 there, Matt. B6, 9, 10 there. Well done, the mamas, papas. Here they come. That's all. 10.